keep it softly. I see some of y'all looking at Jordan. His fingers moving faster than you've ever seen before in your life, right? He just celebrated a birthday on yesterday. God granted him favor to see 29. That's why he playing the way he playing. So you giving God glory on that keyboard. Anywhere that you go that tries to control your thinking is a cult. Still on. Run in with a group of religious leaders who were present and existent in that day. And that group of leaders was called the Pharisees, a.k.a. church folk. And the Bible said, we just read it, they kept silent. Okay, I'll try again. I don't think I explained it right. Here we go. Disciples walking through the field. They pick up some grain. Pharisees jump up. Hold on. That's about Church Folk Chronicles. Amen. Anybody know some church folk? I ain't talking about Christians. I'm church folk. Y'all understand what I'm talking about in just a minute. Y'all pray for me.